As everyone in the universe now knows, Adobe released their GenerativeFill product recently in their Photoshop beta. And while it does a good job at objects and landscapes, it's not great with faces and hands. There is a way to take care of this, however, using Stable Diffusion and Automatic 1111. Automatic 1111 is an application that provides a web interface and an API for Stable Diffusion. This means you can generate images with Stable Diffusion in Photoshop with the free or commercial plugins. I'll be using the Auto-Photoshop-SD plugin and provide a link for this in the description. Here, I'm using Adobe's GenerativeFill to create an image. My prompt is a man and woman standing on a hill in Ireland. GenerativeFill creates us a pretty nice image. However, as we zoom in, we can see that the faces and hands are fairly distorted. I'm going to use Automatic 1111 and Stable Diffusion to regenerate just the faces and part of the people in the image. I'll start by creating a selection rectangle around the people and then start up the plugin. Keep in mind, I already have Automatic 1111 running in the background. I'm going to enter a similar prompt. It doesn't need to be identical. Notice the resolution of the faces will be generated at 512 by 512. The image is only 768 by 768, so we're going to pack a lot of detail into these faces. Notice the model I'm using is called Dreamlike Photoreal. You can get these models at civet.ai. My prompt will be simply man and woman in Ireland. So now I'm going to check all my settings. And I'm going to set my denoising strength to somewhere between 0.25 and 0.4. I think I'll settle on 0.31. That's fine. Now I just want to make a final double check of all my settings. Notice the box there that says ugly. That's a negative prompt. This allows us to remove concepts from the prompt. This ugly prompt is built into the plugin and removes ugly things from the faces. I'm going to click the Generate Image to Image, and now we'll wait for Automatic 1111 to finish the processing. Holy cow! Look at this. We've got some great images already. I'm just going to go ahead and close down the plugin. I'm going to select the layer, create a layer mask, and mask out the edges of our image. Once we're done masking it in, we can do a before and after to see what our previous image looks like compared to our current one. Yes, much better. Using Stable Diffusion allows us to use other models to create images that are of a different style or genre. It also provides advanced features such as pose control and face swapping.